Emily Tumangday, 58 years old. I live in Novaliches, Quezon City. I discovered the Fit Solution when I walked towards Shaw Boulevard MRT using my stick because I'm acute ischemic stroke victim. One woman approached me if I need help. Then she invite me to come to the office the following day, October 11, so I can take the Total Swiss solution. When I take the Fit Solution product from Total Swiss, I feel itching, very hot, my head, also going down to my ears. That takes maybe I think 2 minutes. Health status, when I take the Fit Solution from Total Swiss, is more good. My mood is good. I'm not emotional already. And for 12 days, I can use to write my hands and hold glass of water, and even I hold the microphone. The people over there, the aspiring Total Swiss builders, come and test the product so you can see by yourself and have improvements of your health, because health is wealth.